Hi everyone out there, this is David again with another unboxing. This time it's a HP Spectre X360 convertible laptop. Here's the box. Nothing special about the box, just a normal black box. Just look at that side, and then here we've got all the specs of the actual unit itself. And we'll just open it. Been a pain. All the tape here that cuts nicely. So that's inside the top there. Pull that out. So I'll just put the actual unit to one side. Here we've got a nice little slip case, it looks like. And that's just a bit of cardboard. So here's the main unit itself, surrounded by some foam. So this is in another little box with nice Spectre there written on. That's covered in plastic again. So here's the unit itself underneath with some setup instructions. The other side of the instructions. I'll just bring that up a bit. So you can see, here's a little tab to pull up. So you've got the main laptop there itself. I'll just go through the box again. So in here is just some HP worldwide warranty and technical support. And here we've got the actual pen itself, the stylus. So with the stylus we've got a battery, the actual unit itself, and then how to use the pen instructions. And it's dropped out, but looks like some spare nibs there for the pen. Here we have the power adapter. It's a nice fabric type of cable looking. There's just a clover leaf there into the power adapter, and then that's a USB-C connection. The power cable itself, this is an Australian one, so it's just the Australian end for that. And here we've just got one of those little clips for resetting or releasing. And then there's nothing else in the box itself. I'll just put that to the side, and now we'll get the actual unit itself here. Let's see if we can open it, or we have to take the plastic off. Yep, the plastic comes off first. Slide it out. Now we've got the top of the unit, the bottom of the unit, the side, the back, the other side, and the front. So just looking here, it looks like it's something to do with the battery release, the USB-C connector, probably a headphone jack, another USB-C, and looks like a power button there, and a normal USB port. Open that up. Just got some protective cover there. And there's the actual unit itself. It's just a keyboard, no actual separate numeric keypad. And trackpad down there, and looks like a fingerprint scanner there. And speakers across the top, which look to be Bang & Olufsen. And this is a Core i7 unit. And the thing itself should swing around 360. So we've got it like that, flat to the back. And there you have it. There's a quick unboxing of a HP Spectre X360 convertible. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other YouTube channel and our other unboxing videos. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.